This Assam University Diphu Campus election is taking place today. We have 883 voters. So this time voters have been increased when you compare with the previous years. And also this time from the election commission side, we have created campaigning among the student voters about how to cast vote, how to use ballot, and what is the significance of the voting right. So all these things we have created. That is why, so we are expecting this time voting percentage maybe increase. And apart from this, there is very much political consciousness among the contested candidates. That is why this time there is a contest for 5 posts as we compare with the previous years. Earlier we used to conduct election for 2 posts. So and candidates are also more who are contesting for the 5 posts. That means so our Diphu campus is becoming very vibrant in terms of student politics. That is a positive sign of the Assam University Diphu campus student in election 2022. So that, and as of now, all the contesting candidates, agent, they are all cooperating with the election commission. So we are doing with their cooperation without any trouble. And also there are different personals, more than 50 polling officers, counting officers, and micro observers are involved in the election process. So there is no problem. So we collectively, with help of students, we are doing this election. We hope there won't be any problem. The election take place from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It is followed by counting. We will start at 3. So immediately after completion of the counting, result will be declared by the election commission. So by evening, you all will come to know what would be the result of Assam University Diphu campus student in elections. For the post of president, 3 candidates are contesting.
Then in case of general secretary?
In case of general secretary also 3 candidates. Yeah, so almost all the posts, there are 3 candidates are contesting except 1. And this time one new thing that we have done, we have introduced nota. So nota, which is mandatory for ballot, to keep it in the ballot paper as per the Supreme Court judgment. It was directed to all the central universities and universities who are conducting student in election. They must follow Supreme Court guidelines. Accordingly, we have introduced nota, none of the above in the in ballot paper. And also we have used different colors for different contesting candidates. So that will be very good for us while segregating the ballot papers for counting.
Sorry.
So already the moral code of conduct is there, that was given to all the contesting candidates. And also we have Assam University Student Union Constitution. So we are going by the this constitution. Now whatever grievance comes, so this constitution will give solution. In the same constitution there is a grievance redressal cell. Whatever complaint comes, that will be forwarded to the redressal cell. They will look after it. So as of now, no complaint, such complaint received. So even during counting time also, if anything come, definitely we will address. So there won't be unfair to any candidate who are in the contest. As of now, more than 70 votes. Yeah, out of 8.
Non-Ladakh Union Body election along. Anutin sitame kepa messenger pan ke claim ke damja pan tu je chapate pondolo lagesi democracy along good practice lo de candidate tuman sitame hakime ke claim me pan bang se anutin sitame bori pon rep lo lasi lasolong pini election along bangke non pan sitame ing samjin pen se vote jok pon bom lo la pen penangan atumke vote sitame jok pon tang lo lasi penangan atumangke non sitame ki jok ya tum dola lasi ne kipu damjia lamang la pulo nitum non laso election along kado ko be ang hoy nerkep do laso ang hoy nerkep along sitame apos ke thoma ba magazine AGS open seat lapen AGS female reserve halabang ke uncontest pensi hypon rep lo holadak nomination ke jok no tum ana bangke lapen apos ho abangke contest dopon lo asila so contest along ke hypon bang link setame moan ang ni kang sam si ang thek ba klang pon po na si ke hai pon bang aling sa tame university arlo a manifesto ke thorun abangphu bang pituman sa tame isia team create pen manifesto bang ke paklang rap lopot hala so manifesto long ke tok ponateng mate student upon student interest upon keme sen ponji upon si anutin se me claim pon po sining thelo la pen limit hang ma se me jong si ladak university bang paruner cap so serat tum a student tum jong se ning wai pon pulo tang te nili tum si tame manifesto long che paklang pon ateng pen ke claim pon ke claim ke dam je upon bang ke ready lo si president apos long bang ke thom nomination jokono la bang ke thom se tame ke thek kiri ke do side lo master student side lo university long pulo tangte la si la song bong pen setame inut mesen bang pu phan si student tum bang ke ingwai pon po ba nilili hai la pen anun ka prek la hai setame thangalam velo tadak bang ke si student union election apot dak bang ke ka practice ke cheng lo la pen nilimet hang ma setame political science degree hu setame political science major la pen non setame political science department pen aposi nili phan setame la ke si thedung a chance lo je election ko son se ka chepati dun ma la bang ke si university pot election ko office setame isi ka chair li adim la si bang jok bang pule hai setame ningki oi ji polam setame ave la pen ke messenger phansi student interest phansi ke claim pon popusi nili setame ning thedam lo la pen nutin phansi setame koma se ke hai je bang ma la alang ne tuan setame la pen la solam me se nili
chuning nili 4th semester English department pen nili ka chepate dun ge lage president post panji ke chepate dun dagnon Assam University Diphu Campus Students Union election 2022 nili ning chi thege dak theklong lo tak last year lombenta union body tuma develop and problems lo piglo aso sa sita me kaimat na effect bom lo routine long ba sa timing do lang mesen lang away bathroom hai long da lang available away la hai kelang bang pun lo union body tuma da mat na si ni da matha lo ki dak do nai union body pula si ni da chipate don lo ke la si la hai aput ha ke claim ponia phansi pori pon po ni tum long si hai lo pulo de banket hom do inot bange sipson hanse lapu political science department ge inot bange pu life science department Mr. Pinpoteron haiji phanda sungge sungtan opponent sumta respectable alang li tumda text exercise side inke sitani tumda pu nang therap tum topik nang sipadukun tum topik ningke thepik la selang li tumanta asi hai puke
inke element ke star wilson ronghang lapen li charlie bomb second semester student department mang ke life science and in bioinformatics department si non labangso Assam University Diphu Campus Student Union election along labangso kilik kecepati dunang ko thebang ke nili kecepati dun arpu la ke vice president pen asi piposi nili labangso arpu ben cepati dun pulutangte labangso university la ke non mangke isi university pulte university son si do nai la non mangke tak sabso mane proper mane university la puson an affiliates made labangso university ke doning lana vedet la si nili bangke nili labangso kilik kecepati do nang ko bangke la si isi pen isi minor issue la dak university along nili isi pen isi ke claim poni mate isi betterment isi changes ke van student ban isi facility ki pi mane kado gabe common student di isi facility ke anso se long ke long ra peje phansi mane nili isi chepati dun iglo la pe nili hide lo pote nili whole sincerely wholeheartedly pen nili kam claim bon po labang ka hoklo good question lo ajiding piglo labangso Diphu Campus la ke full fledged central university mate implement po bonta pinyani ta implement mela lasi we will pressurize the concerned authority to implement our Diphu University campus to be the full-fledged central university. Lasi ni tu mangke hide lo pote an mangke ang song nitum tuma representative tuma pan isi pressurize kangtung bangke RD ki pidun mate isi kangtung bangke je Ladakh dong se full-fledged central university implement lo polote itu di full pen Karbi Anglong Ladakh neighboring district tu an bangke kahelo district dam jokplot po kapre kahelo kecari dam jokplot po dak methang dong se full-fledged central university lo polote dak penangan department do po dak student dom kahelo cari dam jokplot po lasi un an bangke chuning rilo dak full-fledged central university bangke dak na implement pisirangot pen dak implement sirak lo implement non immediate implement lo polote dak common student dak tebok terai di Karbi Anglong pen kapre dak tebok terai lu ka Charlie so martom ke dak mithang adim si Charlie long tip po kahelo ang tandam yok plot po si nili concerned authority to pan mate si pressurize ki dunia pan mage nili haidelo pati si jisik ding si dolo
ni tum kelang bom lake malong news 24/7 ham phang pharman klar da kabirta.